Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. Subject science, class 7, day 2. In the previous video, it was discussed about the acids and its nature. Today I want to discuss about the bases. The bases, it has the bitter taste, like the baking soda, which are bitter in taste and have soapy touch, so it is called the bases. Some common bases are sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, and magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. Now you know about the neutral substances. Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called the neutral substances, like the pure water, glucose, urea, salt, cane sugar. These are some of the neutral substances. How can we know about the substances which is the acidic and which is the basic? It can be tested by the indicators. Indicators are natural and human made. Indicators are special substances which have different colors in acidic and basic mediums. Thus, they are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. These are the turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, red cabbage juice, etc. These are the natural indicators. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. are some of the human made indicators. You can see in this activity, when the natural indicator like the litmus is dipped into a solution, the blue litmus paper turned into red, so the solution is acidic. The red litmus paper, when it is dipped into the solution, it turned into blue, so the acids change blue litmus solution red and bases change red litmus solution blue. Litmus paper is also available in the form of thin paper strips. The litmus solution is available in the laboratory in the form of red litmus solution and blue litmus solution. When neutral litmus solution is added to some neutral solution, it does not change its color. Second is the turmeric. You can see in this table change in color of litmus paper and nature of the given solution. Second is the turmeric. Turmeric is also a natural indicator in powdered form. It is a bright yellow dye obtained from a plant. It is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. The yellow paper is the turmeric paper cut thin strips of the turmeric paper. You can use these thin strips of turmeric paper as an indicator. The bases turn the yellow turmeric paper red, and acids and neutral substances like sugar solution show no effect on turmeric paper. So, yellow turmeric paper is an indicator to identify basic solutions. Number 3 is the China rose indicator. You can also see in the table number 5.4 change in color of the turmeric paper and nature of the given solutions. If you drop in the soap solution, yellow color changes to red, it means it is the basic solution. China rose indicator is also a natural indicator. It is prepared from the petals of China rose flower. When you use the China rose indicator in acidic solutions, it turns pink China rose indicator change into magenta. It means dark pink. Basic solution turn pink China rose indicator into green. And the China rose indicator has no effect on neutral substances. That's all.